This question belongs to computer network subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014. So the question states, consider a token ring network with a length of 2 km. So we have a token ring network with a total length of 2 km. Having 10 stations. So we have 10 stations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, including a monitoring station. So we also have a monitoring station over here. Okay, the propagation speed of the signal is 2 into 10 to the power 8. It is 10 to the power 8. So the propagation speed is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And the token transmission time is ignored, which means we have a token over here. So the time to transmit the token to the link is ignored for each of the station. If each station is allowed to hold the token for 2 microseconds, so each station will hold the token for 2 microseconds. The minimum time for which monitoring station should wait in microsecond before assuming the token is lost is. Okay, so let me tell you how this happens. So this station will be having a token. This is our token. It will take some time to transmit, so it is negligible time. It is given over here. Transmission time is ignored. It will hold it for 2 microseconds. Now token will travel over here. It will hold it for 2 microseconds. It will travel. It will hold for 2 microseconds. Similarly, it will take one complete round and come back to our source. So monitoring station can assume that the token is lost when the time taken is more than the total time to travel as well as this token holding time. So station will assume the time to be lost when time is equals to, so what is the minimum time? It is asking for minimum time. So time should be basically greater than our ring latency. So ring latency is basically time taken by the token to make one complete round plus n into token holding time. So n is the number of stations and each station hold it for some time, which is 2 microseconds. So it is asking for minimum time. So minimum time equals to, this is greater than equal to, so min time will be equal to ring latency. So what is our ring latency? See, we have 2 km. So 2 km, 2 into 10 to the power 3 meters. This is distance. So what is the ring latency? Is basically our time. So time is equals to distance upon speed. So distance is 2 into 10 to the power 3 meters. Speed is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter second inverse plus n into, what is the value of n? We have 10 stations, so n is 10. What is token holding time? It is given as 2 microseconds. So it is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 seconds. So time comes out to be, here 2 and 2 cancels, we get 10 to the power minus 5 plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. So we get 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. It is asking for microsecond. So we multiply by 10 and divide by 10. So we get it equal to 30 into 10 to the power minus 6 second, which is equals to 30 microsecond. So answer to this question is 30 microseconds. So answer is 3030.